Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of Blink Video Doorbell. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict if this video doorbell is worth it. Blink Video Doorbell Overview. Blink Video Doorbell boasts of letting you personalize your experience and making your life easier and safer. Whether you're at work, at the park, with your kids, or making memories on vacation, Blink Video Doorbell ensures your home is in your hands by letting you see anyone at your door. With features such as two-way audio, day and night HD video, chime app alerts, and long-lasting battery, with this video doorbell, you can answer your door regardless of your location from your smartphone. What we liked: you can connect to your existing doorbell wiring or go wire-free. Easy installation within minutes. Has two-way audio. What we didn't like: requires the Sync Module 2 to get two-way audio, and live view anytime on demand. Features: works with Alexa. Answering your door just became easier with Blink Video Doorbell, since it works with Alexa. You only need to pair or wire your doorbell with a sync model to receive chime app alerts. Respond with two-way audio and ask Alexa to answer your front door. Alexa will also alert you to motion and button presses. Long-lasting battery life. Blink Video Doorbell comes with two AA 1.5-volt lithium metal batteries. The batteries have a life of up to 2 years, providing longer use if they do not drain fast. Resolution and connection. With the Blink Video Doorbell, you can record and view high-quality HD videos with 1080p resolution during the day. At night, the doorbell uses infrared HD vision. Photo resolution is also excellent, and you can view the captured photos in 640 by 360 NHD. Who is Blink Video Doorbell best suited for? Blink Video Doorbell is best suited for people who are away from their homes often, and they want to feel secure when away and see anybody at the door. Verdict: should you get the Blink Video Doorbell? If you buy the video doorbell alone without Sync Module 2, the two-way audio and live view are only available in response to a motion event and someone pressing the doorbell. If you need to get these features on demand anytime, you must include a Sync Module. That said, the Blink Video Doorbell will allow you to answer your front door from anywhere with high-quality resolution and long-lasting battery life. Therefore, you should buy a Blink Video Doorbell to make your life easier. Thanks for watching.